Today, we're tackling one of the most common tasks for a virtual assistant: creating social media content. We'll show you how to leverage AI to not just write posts, but to brainstorm, repurpose, and customize content for different platforms. If you've ever sat staring at a blank screen, trying to come up with new ideas for a social media calendar, then you know the struggle. But with the right tools and strategies, you can go from writer's block to a seamless content flow. The key is to use AI for three things: ideation, drafting, and repurposing. We'll show you how with a few practical examples using three powerful tools. Let's start with ChatGPT for ideation and drafting. Think of it as your strategic content partner. Now, our scenario: a client wants to promote a new blog post titled 5 Ways AI Can Boost Your Productivity. Your first step is ideation. Instead of starting from scratch, prompt ChatGPT to act as a strategist. I'll ask it to provide 5 creative ideas for a LinkedIn post, 3 ideas for an Instagram carousel, and 2 ideas for a short video script. As you can see, by specifying the goal and the platforms, you get a list of creative ideas tailored to each channel. Now that we have our idea, we can draft the content. I'll prompt ChatGPT to draft a professional LinkedIn post. My prompt will specify the hook, ask it to summarize the blog post's main points, request a clear call to action, and specify the tone and relevant hashtags. The result is a fully drafted professional post ready to go. This is where AI truly shines for a VA. We can now repurpose that same core message for a completely different audience. Watch as I ask it to rewrite the LinkedIn post for Instagram. My prompt will specify a more casual and personal tone, ask for emojis, and request a hook for the caption. This saves a huge amount of time, as you don't have to manually rewrite every post for every platform. Next, let's integrate AI directly into our design workflow with Canva's Magic Write. Now, our scenario: we need to create a social media graphic with text using Canva. Canva's Magic Write is a fantastic integrated tool. Instead of switching apps, you can generate text directly within your design. Here, I've opened a template. I'll click on a text box, select Magic Write, and give it a simple prompt. Write 5 bullet points about why a virtual assistant needs to use AI for content creation. In moments, the text appears directly on the graphic. You can also use Magic Write to refine and edit existing text. If you want to change the tone or make it more engaging, just ask. The text updates instantly, streamlining your design and writing process. This is the power of an integrated workflow. Finally, let's explore a dedicated tool: Copy AI. These platforms are perfect when you need a wide variety of specific content. We need to generate a variety of social media captions for a new product launch. Instead of a simple chat, Copy AI uses pre-built templates. I'll navigate to the Social Media Captions tool and fill in the required fields. I'll provide a product name and a short description. I can also choose a specific tone like playful. Watch as the AI instantly generates over 10 different caption variations for you to choose from. The beauty of these dedicated tools is their efficiency. You can quickly scroll through the generated options, pick the one that fits best, and make any final tweaks to add your unique touch. This is an incredible time saver for repetitive tasks. So, to recap, how do these tools fit into your workflow? Think of ChatGPT as your strategic partner for brainstorming, drafting, and repurposing content. Use Canva Magic Write for in the moment text generation while you're designing. And turn to a dedicated tool like Copy AI when you need a wide variety of specific content like captions fast. By mastering these tools, you can not only save hours of time but also produce a higher volume of professional and engaging content for your clients, helping you stand out as an indispensable professional.